Here are the top 5 careers that'll make you the most money from least to greatest. And stay for the bonus at the end, which makes way more money than the others, and also takes significantly less time to do so. Here we go. Starting off at number 5, we have orthopedic surgeons, who after lengthy schooling and rigorous certifications, can make up to $306,000 per year. Number 4, we have ER physicians, who after similar trainings to other physicians, can get up to $310,000 per year. Number 3, if you've ever had any work done to your face, you've probably seen an oral surgeon, and they can make up to $311,000 per year. Number 2 is an anesthesiologist at $331,000, and number 1 is a cardiologist who deals with the heart at $353,000 per year. Now, all these careers require an incredible amount of education, preparation, time, certification, and of course money to acquire those skills. But this last bonus career has an unlimited income potential and does not require any formal education. And that's the life of an entrepreneur. And if you'd like to begin your entrepreneurial journey, just follow me for more tips. Have a great day.